Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to upload your website on Godaddy. First, you will need to log into your Godaddy account. Once logged in, find your products page. From there, locate your web hosting account and click the Manage button. This action will take you to your hosting dashboard. Next, select the cPanel Admin button to access your control panel, which is your central hub for website management. Now that you are in cPanel, you have two main options for uploading your website files. For a few files, the file manager is straightforward. Simply navigate to the public HTML directory and upload. If you have many files, it is best to compress them into one zip file, upload it, and then extract it. For larger projects, an FTP client such as FileZilla offers a more robust and efficient way to transfer your entire site. If your website is dynamic, like a WordPress site, you will need a database. Within cPanel, find the MySQL database wizard to easily create a new database. You will also need to create a database user and assign all privileges to connect it with your new database. Finally, remember to update your website's configuration file, typically named something like wp-config. PHP with your new database name, username, and password. With your files uploaded and database configured, the next crucial step is testing. Open your website in several browsers to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Check all pages, images, and links for proper loading and navigation. For an in-depth analysis, consider using a website performance tool, such as Pingdom, to evaluate load times and identify any areas for improvement, ensuring a smooth user experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.